ពេលនឹងដែរពួកខ្ញុំព្រមទាំងមិត្តភ័ក្តិមួយចំនួនចាដែលមានគ្នាជាង10គ្រួសារបានទៅដើរលេងជុំគ្នាដោយជួលផ្ទះវិស្វកម្មចាដែលមានលក្ខណៈជា cabin នៅ Red River Gorge ក្នុងរដ្ឋ Kentucky ហើយក្នុងការជួលផ្ទះនោះដែរគឺមានតម្លៃជិត$2,000ចាក្នុងមួយយប់ហើយពួកខ្ញុំបានជួលចំនួន3យប់ចាចង់នឹងថាក្នុងផ្ទះនោះមានលក្ខណៈយ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះតោះអញ្ចឹងសូមអញ្ជើញបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាមកតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូដូចតទៅចាតាមក្រោយម៉ោង6:36ហើយ
Wait. Hold on. Dad, stop. Can you open this? Can you? Oh wait, hold on.
Okay. We got in the cabin now.
Oh, this is nice.
ចូលមកដល់ cabin ហើយ
Okay, so there's like some hooks, like for like jackets, coats. There's a
Smell something good.
Or right there.
Find your room somewhere.
Oh yeah, we need to get a
Okay,
room.
so
អូខេចានេះ kitchen ចក្រានបាយនេះតុគួយញ៉ាំបាយច្រើនតោះចានេះជាន់ទី1ចាជាន់ទី1មាន2បន្ទប់ចាមានខែ king នោះ2បន្ទប់ចាខែ king 1អានោះខែពួកខ្ញុំនៅ king ខាងនោះហើយឡើងទៅលើមាន
Good kid, let's move in that.
kitchen យូរនៅខាងនេះ
you wanna go the other way?
ចានេះ kitchen
Oh, that's more space. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Look, that's big.
it's nice big sink
Yeah.
okay
You can have like one
ចា
for like. Yeah, this
Okay.
is the dishes.
នេះ
Well, they said there's an ice maker too.
Yeah, here.
It just comes out a little bit at a time. But...
ចា
Oh, that's a. Oh, okay. So it did have an ice
the
maker.
one like we have
Oh, there's ice in there.
Is this a cooler?
This looks like ice cream.
Yeah.
ជាន់ទី1ចាចានេះបន្ទប់ទឹកចាបន្ទប់ទឹករួមអូខេ restroom down here បន្ទប់ទឹករួមឥឡូវយើងឡើងទៅមើលនៅលើអូខេ go
You lazy.
អានេះពេលទ្វារច្រកចូលចាចូលមកនៅស្ដាំដៃនេះដើរឡើងទៅលើចានេះ the king bed
The girls on the futon and
yeah
mom and dad and Victor.
ជាន់ទី1បន្ទប់នេះនៅតនេទេ queen bed ចាcòn នឹងទូតិចចឹងពួកខ្ញុំយក king ចាចា queen នេះក៏ view ស្អាតដែរចាហើយបន្ទប់នេះគឺចាបន្ទប់នេះ queen ដែរដូចគ្នាហើយមានដាក់ទៅខាងនោះចាហើយមាន living room ហើយនេះ pool table ខាងណានេះបន្ទប់មួយទៀតចា11 10ហើយបន្ទប់លេខ9នេះក៏ចាមាន view ទៅខាងក្រៅដែរចង់ទៅខាងក្រៅហើយនេះយើងអាចមកនេះយើងអាចចេញមកក្រៅនេះបានចាដូចគ្នានេះនេះ balcony អូខេ
Okay, then there's a closet right there. There's a door up there.
So you want on main floor then? Because it's key.
There's this room. Closet. There's a bathroom. Then the balcony.
So all these four take, or no,
Yeah.
how many
Number
Pool
9
table.
is mine, and then number 7 is
And
Angie.
all these.
So that's all we
There's
had.
only 4 bedrooms up here.
I believe so. And there's 4 in the basement.
Then there's one right there, more balcony. Then there's this, zip lining. This is room number 9. There's a bathroom in there, closet, balcony. Number 10. Then there's 11. It's sort of like bedrooms, bed bunks. This looks nice. And a balcony. Okay, I'm trying to rush this up. Okay, that is all of upstairs. And then let's go downstairs.
Oh, we got a closet. You can put suitcases and stuff in here.
Yeah, okay, ស្នៃចានេះ room របស់ពួកខ្ញុំរើសចានេះ king នេះ full ton ចា
I
king
think this is cool.
yeah
It's fine.
I need to do my homework.
Is
there Wi-Fi?
oh cabin នោះមានមួយដែរតាណោះ
Okay, that's another rent.
and a nice one too over there
Oh,
Oh,
is
that
that
one-
the 40 person, 40 room?
oh that one
There's one that's 40 rooms.
no
Yeah, there's a.
you
This is only 11. That's
ចានេះជាន់ទី1ដាក់នៅខាងក្រៅ
the perfect view to that.
Or 2 mile hike or something. But they also, what I'm planning on taking my son, I think we're gonna just do the sky lift. It takes you $17 to go up and down.
Up and down 70
It's
bucks.
20 minutes, 20-minute ride.
Then we see all bottom.
Yeah, I think it takes you to the
អូខេចានេះចូលទៅបន្ទប់ក្រោមដីមាន4បន្ទប់ទៀតចាហើយនឹងរោងកុន
Chachi and Anto.
This one you can walk outside, ain't it?
So there's the movie rooms, and there's this bedroom downstairs, closet, bathroom, bed, and then let's go outside. It's a little. Oh my God! Can I get in tonight?
Oh no.
And then there's 2 hot tubs.
There's probably a switch somewhere.
Is there a control? That's really big. This is the movie room area. Oh my God! The seats are so comfortable. Oh, it's really cool. And then, is anyone staying in here? No, closet, bathroom.
The one upstairs is a lot of room.
I want to be right next to the movie room.
You do?
Yeah, right here. So I can watch movies and then just shower and then go to bed and continue watching
Probably
movies.
wants the one upstairs. I don't know.
Here. I can't see where's the lights.
Can we sleep over here?
And
This
so
room is perfect. This room is perfect. I call this room. I call this room. I call this room.
I'm being by the movie room. I don't know about you.
I want this room. I like this room. I like this room.
Every room's taken, guys.
Which one is taken? Elena's asking.
What's this?
That's the piping and stuff. I haven't checked this area out yet.
That's like this room too.
There's like a TV in here.
There's a TV in every room.
Bathroom. Dad, can I stay in here? The shower curtains are a moon.
We're going up.
Okay, I think that's it.
ចាឥឡូវនេះជូនអវ៉ាន់ចេញពីក្នុងឡានហើយព្រោះរើសបន្ទប់ហ្នឹងក្មេងៗលេងបងក៏ដើរមើលទេសភាពនៅខាងនោះ Oh, ចាឥឡូវនេះវីដេអូយើងបានដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ចាសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមជម្រាបលាបាយ